Hello, welcome to this channel that called Coda CSE at 6WQS. And welcome to this project as a student budget management system, where we are going to see about the main four key points. The first one is about the system overview and the architecture. The second is user authentication module. The third is core budget management functionality. And the fourth is the program flow and user interface. So without time delay, we can say about those core system design and purpose. The main project of this objective project is a console-based application designed to help users track personal income and expenses against a set monthly budget. So the key features is to provide user registration or login and the expenses and income tracking. The core technology used here is the C++ programming language. So the next is the user registration process where he will enter the credentials and also during login he will come back with those credentials. The data storage used here is the file handling system. The recording financial transaction will be to add an expenses and add income in the file. The main programming loop and navigation is where the user will be provided the menu that tell her to log in, sign up, to exit, to add expenses and others. So let's learn our code. Can go in our code. So we built C++ program to implement this student budget management system where we have the file stream and conio.th that will help us to type a password without showing it to the user. Then there are main different functions that were created. The first one is register users for to register the new user. The second one is the login. The third is hide password, add expenses, view expenses, add income as it will be shown on the dashboard. So if the choice was 1, 2, 3, we will register, login, exit accordingly. Then he wants to switch. The case 1, in case 1, the register function will be called upon. As the function at in place 1, the function register will be called. Then the message will be provided that registration was done successfully. This function is located on line line 31, 31 up to 95, where there was a creation of a file. Then there will be the provision of the username, the password, and the budget. So the budget, the password will be hidden while the user is typing. Then the name, the password, the budget will be transferred to the file that was created before, as we say. Then we return true. To return true is to mean that the function will come and say that the registration was done successfully. Then if the trace is 2, if the trace is 2, there will be the calling of the function called login user, where he will be called in order to enter the credentials, the username, the password, and also the budget, so that can check if the credentials are if the entered credentials during registration are the same as those credentials entered during the user will enter the name, the password, then this hide password will be called. Then, if called, the password was entered in this variable. So then there will be the close of our file. So let's check. Let's check our code. Sorry. Islam, wait a moment, please. There will be the pop-up of the menu where you are to register to sign up, not login. Press one. The name is me. Then the password is this. Then the budget will be 20. Then register was done as a result. Then you want to log in as my name. The password is this. Then login successfully. Can add expenses as rent, amount, successfully done. Then you can add also other expenses as transport. Transport was done. Then I can add an income to 3. Income was 30. Then the income was added. Then I can view this was rent, this for transport. The total income was 0 and the total expenses was this and the available balance as this because I have used all of money I had. Then I can add an income 3. Add income. Then I can add the other also. I can also register another user. Then let me log out. Then I can register the second one for register. Then I say the Derek. Then I can set the password. Then I can enter the budget. Then will be created also. If you want to log in, he will go to his own dashboard. Is Derek? Is Derek? Name Derek? Password of this. I can add expenses for him.